Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online, chapter 5 of our level 2. In this chapter, we will see verbs along with its related nouns. That is, some nouns that go along with these verbs or generally used along with these verbs. Like in the previous part, we saw some adjectives that go along with the verbs. Same way, we'll see some nouns. So, let us get started.
So welcome to chapter 5 everyone, which is some more verbs and nouns. So let us first start with our verbs. The very first verb that we'll see is to call. To call someone via phone or via mobile or to just call out. We have the verb yamar. Yamar. This is double L. But as we know, the pronunciation for double L is ya. So yamar. The first person form for this verb is I call and that is llamo. Second person is you call, tú llamas. And third person is he or she calls, él or ella llama. So this was a pretty easy one. Now let us see the next one. Next one is to talk. So that is hablar. Hablar. The first person form for that is I talk. So that is hablo. Second person, you talk, tú hablas. And third person, he or she talks, is él or ella habla. The H is always silent when it is in the beginning, so never forget that. The third one is to listen. To listen. Escuchar. Escuchar. The first person, I listen, escucho. You listen, tú escuchas. And third person, he or she listens, él or ella escucha. Escucha. Alright, so let us move to our nouns, that is the bonus words for this chapter. The first one is telephone. Telephone is teléfono. Teléfono. The next is mobile. It's móvil. Móvil. Music is música. Música. And radio the spelling remains the same, just the pronunciation changes to radio. Radio. Alright, so now let us practice some sentences that covers these verbs and nouns. So the very first sentence is, are you going to call me today? It's a question. So as we know that nothing changes for the question, just the inflection or the way you say it changes. So are you going to call me today? ¿Vas a llamarme hoy? ¿Vas a llamarme hoy? Now this is llamar and me, that is to call me. These are just joined together in one word. So ¿vas a llamarme hoy? Next sentence, I want to listen to some music. Quiero escuchar música. Quiero escuchar música. Let's see the next one. You need to talk to the teacher. You need to talk to the teacher. That becomes necesitas hablar con él or la maestro or maestra, depending on the gender of the teacher, of course. Now here con means with. So in English we say it as you need to talk to the teacher, but in Spanish this thing translates to you need to talk with the teacher. So con is with. Okay. Necesitas hablar con el maestro or necesitas hablar con la maestra. Let us see the next sentence. Grandpa is listening to the radio. That becomes el abuelo escucha la radio. El abuelo escucha la radio. The next one. Nobody listens to me when I talk. Sad. Nobody listens to me when I talk. So here a little hint. Nobody is, the word for nobody is nadie. Nadie. We have not seen this word yet, therefore I have dropped a hint here. Nadie. So this sentence translates to nadie me escucha cuando hablo. Nadie me escucha cuando hablo. And the last sentence for today, I'm going to call you on your telephone. I'm going to call you on your telephone. Voy a llamarte a tu teléfono. Voy a llamarte a tu teléfono. Here too, the llamar and te has joined together to form just one word. Llamarte. Voy a llamarte a tu teléfono. Alright, so that was it for this lecture. Please check out the notes in the description and comment in the comment section if you have any doubts or any suggestions. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.
So was this chapter helpful and fun? Please tell me in the comment section how you liked this chapter. If you liked this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learn Everything Online and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video comes up. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.